Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What is going on with my fellow Scorpios? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and true reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Hep hep, Scorpio. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, just leave it and don't try to fix the energy which is not yours. Because I am dealing with millions of Scorpios all over the world and this is not your personal reading. Here we go. First, we have the Four of Wands. This is a fire sign energy. Normally, this is the energy of an Aries. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Not necessary. Could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart for some of you. I feel like this is related to home and family. Could also be that this is your partner. Could also be that this person is in your family, your mother, I don't know, surrounds you. Others of you, this is related to your solid foundation. This is related to your stability and you have an assured success. Congratulations. If you are single and still negotiable, I feel like this person wants to offer you a marriage proposal because they viewed you as a marriage material. Others of you, it could also that you are going to meet this person in a party, in an occasion. There could be a celebration here. A birthday party, an engagement, a baby shower, an anniversary, a wedding, or a simple family reunion clan. It could also be that there are people in the past who wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them, especially if you have grudges with this person or group of people, a minimum of 4 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 444. This could be the day of your birthday or your age, or the day of the birthday and the age of that person you are dealing with. This could also be your partner. I don't know, because normally 4 of Wands is in your home. It could also be that you have grudges with this person or misunderstanding, and somebody here wants to make peace, to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Others will be decisions assured success. Congratulations. The universe advises you to celebrate the milestone of your success. The more you celebrate, the more you will be blessed and the more you are going to recognize. Congratulations. For some of you, this is related to teamwork and collaboration. It could also that you are dealing with this power of 4 in the past who tried to block your success for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. Could also that these are the power of 4 in the past and now they want to reconcile and to harmonize the relationship. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let me see your challenge is the moon. This is a Cancer and Pisces energy. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, a mother figure, or a fire sign. Could also be a group of 4 people. I don't know. Who are they? Normally, this is in your family. Somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Could also be that this secret is going to expose. Could also be that somebody here is confused. Somebody here is, having an uncleared vision. A foggy vision. I don't know what this is all about. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to listen to your intuition and to pay attention to your dreams and synchronicities. I feel like somebody is keeping secrets on you, and it could also that this secret is going to expose or now expose because this is your challenge. It could also be that somebody here is hiding something, a secret. And this person could also be scared to reveal their secrets towards on you. It could also that this is their feelings towards on you. I don't know. Somebody have viewed you as a mysterious, secretive, or somebody is insecure. Somebody here having fear to express their feelings, their secrets towards on you. I don't know what this is all about. That's why the universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams and synchronicities. Could also that this person is daydreaming on you, or you are going to see this person in your dream. Either Cancer, Pisces, a mother figure, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Remember, somebody here wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. That's why listen to your intuition and pay attention to your dreams. And this is your challenge. A Cancer, Pisces, a mother figure, and a fire sign is going to challenge you. Could also be a minimum of 4 people. Let me see. The spiritual lesson here is the Queen of Pentacles. For some of you guys, you could be dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. For some of you, not necessary. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing with a matured mother figure, or you are the matured mother figure, and your energy is very abundant. This is related to your energy. Could also be that you are a successful businessman, businesswoman, or you are dealing with a wealthy person. And this person wants to offer you stability, or this is your energy towards to this person. You want to offer this person a stability. Could also be that somebody here wants to marry you, because this person viewed you as a marriage material, or somebody here needs a support. Could be a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart for some of you. Others of you guys, I feel like somebody here needs your support, not only financial support, but emotional support. And somebody here could also be needs healing, and they viewed you as a person who is very nurturing and loving person. But there could be a secret behind with this person. I don't know. There could be a secret here. And this secret is going to expose. For some of you, you have learned your lesson from this person because you always supported this person, especially financial support, and they are not reciprocating your value. Could be a mother figure. Could also that this is your partner or the mother of your children, your mother, your grandmother. I don't know. This is your energy. But you have learned your lesson from this person. There could be a money involved in the situation in the past. I don't know. Could be an investment, a charity. And that's why there could be a secrets being exposed here. Could be related to money. Could also be related to relationship. I don't know what this is all about. Remember, somebody wants to harmonize, to make peace with you. Either a Virgo, a fire sign, a Cancer, Pisces, or a mother figure. Let me see. The past situation is the Wheel of Fortune. You could be dealing or attracting the perfect sign in the zodiac, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, or a fellow Scorpio. Not necessary. Could also be that this is a new person who is willing or wanting to be the part of your new beginning. This is your transformation. This is your destiny. This is your, blessing in disguise. If you are going to accept this huge change in your life. For some of you, you already did. This is, I mean, the wheel of fortune is turning in your favor. There is good luck, good fortune, and blessings here. Good luck, good fortune, good karma. If there are people in the past who did you wrong, who messed you up, who did injustice on you, I feel like they're also receiving the karma. Because the well of fortune is just like the well of karma. What goes around comes back around. Your life will never be the same again. Or somebody who wants to be the part of your new beginning, your fortunate new beginning, because they viewed you as an abundance, a marriage material. That's why somebody who wants to offer you a marriage proposal if you are single and negotiable. Or they wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. But there's a secret here being exposed or already exposed. Or somebody is keeping secret and they want to tell you, but they are scared to tell you. This is the past situation because you are the change. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are advisors to embrace the change. The more you resist, the more your life gets harder. There are people who wants to be the part of your new beginning, your fortunate new beginning. The fourth fixed sign in the zodiac is involved: a Cancer, Pisces, a mother figure, a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and a fire sign. Let me see. Your present energy is the Hierophant. I told you, somebody wants to marry you. 3 times confirmation. Because the Queen of Pentacles is a marriage material. The Four of Wands is your success. And it could also be a marriage proposal if you are single and negotiable. And it could also be that this is related to your faith and commitment. Could also that this person is having different values, tradition, religious unbelief, and there could be a problem here. Others of you, it could also be somebody who is consult a practitioner or a tarot card reader because they wants to know about your life. Of course, because they are investigating on you because they wants to marry you. Could also be that for some of you, this is your energy because you have faith, you knew the truth, and you are not scared to tell the truth. It could also be that you are, a light worker. Could also that your job is related to spirituality, or this person is a spiritual haters, I don't know. And maybe they are doing cast spells, love spells, black magic on you because of jealousy and envy. Because they doesn't want you to have, your success. They doesn't want you to have your, your happily ever after. They doesn't want you to be happy. Maybe because they loves you. And they are keeping secrets on you. I don't know. Somebody here could be, doing cast spells, love spells. Could also be related to your money because of jealousy and envy. They tried to block or hinder your work, your financial success and stability because of jealousy and envy. They doesn't want you to succeed. However you are, shame on you. Could also that they engage you to black magic, witchcraft, voodoo, and it didn't work because if you are innocent. And they just do this to you because of jealousy and envy. Of course, it backfires on them. Others of you guys, because of your faith and your trust to the Divine Most High, that's why you have heard good luck, good fortune, and good karma. This is your rewards from all your agonies. But there are people who are not happy. There are people who are insecure, who wants to put blockages because they are jealous and envy. And aside from that, maybe they doesn't want you to find your partner. They doesn't want you to have a harmonious family relationship because they want you to be like them. Their lives are falling apart. They are always in confusion. Because these are the people who is always doing, cast spells, love spells, black magic to other people because of jealousy and envy. Because their lives are boring. Because they have always a dark secrets. And when it backfires on them, their black magic, their cast spells, they will twist the story that you are the one who did this to them. Whoever you are, shame on you. A Taurus is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Virgo, an earth sign, a fire sign, and the fourth fixed sign in the zodiac. Could also be a collaboration. A group of 4 people, 4. I don't know who are they. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. The future is the 3 of Wands. Your ship is coming. This is your lucky breaks. And It could also be that for some of you guys, you are going to travel, or somebody will travel towards on you. I don't know. This is all about, because the energy of this reading could be reversal. This is, you are continuing what you have started. This is, you are expanding. There is an expansion here of your assured success. You are doing continuously this assured success, and congratulations. If these are the people in the past, I feel like this could be the power of 3. They are not reciprocating your worth, your value. Now they have seen of who you are, because they have seen that you have growth, that you have lots of potential to do a great things. And that's why somebody who wants to invest with you, wants to be the part of your new beginning, your good fortune. If these are the past people, I don't think that you are dealing with them anymore. Because for some of you guys, they are only using and abusing you. A minimum of 3 years, a minimum of 4 years. Or there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333, 444, because these are the cards come out here. This is related to your creativity, and this is related to your stability. Of course, you did it because you are continuing your work. Your ships is coming. And this is your lucky breaks. Could also be that somebody wants to offer you this creative spark. I don't know. It could also be that it will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Let me see. Your attitude is the 7 of Swords. This is your energy. You are working in silence. You are moving in silence. You are not telling the people, especially this group of 7 people who did sabotage on you in the past because of jealousy and envy. These are the group of heartless people. They don't care with whom they are going to hurt. Hurt people. All they want to do is to win at all costs. That's why I fully understand. If you are snaking away from them, they are snaky. They are nosy. Because they want to know your next move. Don't tell them what you did. Please move in silence continuously. Because all they can do is to sabotage you, to drain your energy, because they are jealous and envy. These are the people who are lack of self-esteem, lack of good morals and right conduct. All they want is to take something from you. If these are the past people, be very mindful, because somebody here wants to steal from you your time, your resources, your ideas, or your money. Move in silence and don't tell them what you are doing, because they are jealous on you. They are people who are heartless, because they are falling apart. They are desperate. These are the people who don't have creativity and passion. If they have, they are lazy. They doesn't know how to do it like you, because you can alchemize everything in your life, but they couldn't do it. That's why all they can do is to snake on you, and they're snaky and nosy what you are doing, because some of these people, guys, they are copycats. And that's why I fully understand if you're snaking away from them. If they're still bothering in your mind, the universe advises you to release these burdens. This is not worth to engage your energy. These are the low vibes energy draining vampires. They are not worth of your time. They are not worth, because your time is your currency. Don't engage your energy to them. That's all they can do. Sabotaging, bad mouthing. You have gone through a lot of pain because of this person or group of people. And Aquarius is involved here. Gemini and Libra. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 777. It could be the day of your birthday, or the year of your birthday, or the person you are dealing with. An air sign is involved, a fire sign, an earth sign, because there's other cards come out here. In Cancer, Pisces also. Let me see. Your outside influence is the 3 of Pentacles. Sorry, why I said Pentacles. 3 of Cups. I feel like there are people in the past who wants to celebrate with you. They're going to, to apologize, and if possible to reconcile. It's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because I don't know your whole story. This could be the power of 3, or somebody who engaged you to a third-party situation. Could also be that you are going to meet this person in a celebration, in a party. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or This person wants to support and inspire you to drink and dine with you. Could also be that this is your ex who wants to apologize of what you have done on you in the past. Remember, there's a secret here. Could also that they're going to tell you their secret. I don't know what they are hiding from you. It could also be that this is the milestone of your success and you're going to celebrate this with your, colleague at work. This is teamwork and collaboration. Congratulations. Double confirmation. Success after success. The 4 of Wands and the 3 of Cups. Could also that this person wants to engage you to a third-party situation. Not necessarily a lover. Could also be a friend or a family. And this is the outside influence. A return from the past to celebrate with you. Could also that these are the same people who are not reciprocating your value, your love, your support, who betrayed you. And now they have seen that you have success, you have very abundance, and your destiny is not the same before. And these are the people who are just, who will come to you because you are on the peak of success. Be very mindful of the past people and listen to your intuition. Let me see your hopes and fears. Here's the Page of Swords. This is an air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing or attracting an air sign, or you have an air sign in your birth chart, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, an air sign, an earth sign, and a fire sign is involved in this situation. Somebody is spying on you far from a distance. Could also be that you have a stalker and this person is strategizing and analyzing how to approach you, or they're analyzing how to steal from you. They're analyzing how to sabotage you. Remember, 7 of Swords. Could also be these are the group of 7 people as well who are spying and strategizing how to sabotage you, how to steal your ideas. Be very mindful or careful of some offers nowadays. Could also be that this is in the net, in the online. Could also be that this is a hacker. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be that this person wants to communicate with you or strategizing how to approach you, or they're going to send you a message. I don't know. Or they wants to communicate with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The universe advises you to be strategic, especially if you're going to communicate or approach with this person. Because remember, the 7 of Swords. You look, I don't know who are they. Be very mindful of some people nowadays, especially in the net. Could also be that all eyes on you because you are abundance. There are lots of people who are stalking your social media if you have your platform, because you have lots of success and recognition and your energy is very abundance. And there are people who wants to communicate with you. But also that there are people who wants to celebrate with you because they are feeling inspired by you, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, I never say that all people hate you. Of course, there are people who wants to celebrate with you as well, to drink and dine with you. In fact, you have a marriage offer, a marriage proposal if you are single, and negotiable. Let me see. The outcome here is the King of Cups. This is the energy of water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Of course, this is your reading. You are the control of your own emotion. You have lots of emotional intelligence. It's because of your painful experience in the past. You love yourself unconditionally, and this person knew as well. You are the captain of your soul and the master of your fate. You understand the feelings of other people, but unfortunately, many people don't understand you. Could also that this person wants or willing to explore your deepest emotion. This person loves you deeply. Could be a matured father figure, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or any other sign. And this person viewed you as the divine counterpart. This person viewed you as well as a marriage material. Remember, the Queen of Pentacles. You are abundance. You are, your aura is very magnetic. And aside from that, you are the control of your own emotion. You are unshakable. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, there are people who viewed you that they couldn't manipulate you. That's why there are people who are studying on you. They are strategizing on how to approach you. And there are also people who wants to steal from you. They're very mindful, especially the past people. Clarify me, Father, why the moon in this reading? Tell me more about the moon here, please. Why the moon in this reading? It is clarified as bear. Somebody here wants to protect you. This person wants to be the knight of your shining armor, your hero. This person could be a Pisces or a Cancer, could also be a matured mother figure. This person viewed you as good in entrepreneurship. This person viewed you as a money magnet. This person viewed you as a strong person. And they want to support and to protect you. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, or a matured mother figure. Clarify me, Father. But there is a secret here. My beautiful souls, Scorpio, remember that. I don't know what this is all about. Clarify me, Father, why the Page of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the Page of Swords, help please. It is clarified as garden. Somebody here wants to celebrate with you. But also that this person is an entertainment industry. Could also that this person wants to socialize with you, to drink and dine with you. Or they are going to invite you to a party. I don't know what this is all about. There could be a party coming, and this person wants to introduce you to their friends, to their families. I don't know. Somebody wants to invite you to a party. This person could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign. Clarify me, Father. Why the... Just a minute, guys. Clarify me, Father. Why the Seven of Swords in this reading? What is Seven of Swords, please? It is clarified as the book. There could be a secret is going to expose here. This could be related to a documents, and that's why somebody here wants to steal from you, to sabotage you. They're snaking on you. Be very mindful if these are the past people, because there could be a documents here is lost or burned, or there could be related to documents here. And somebody who wants to find the documents. I don't know what this is all about. Be very mindful, because somebody here wants to steal from you. Especially the people in the past. They're going to approach you. Hey Scorpio, I am your friends, your families, your allies, but the truth are not. They're wearing a false mask. Because there is a secret here related to documents. I don't know what this is all about. An air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra is involved here. Or a group of 7 people. Clarify me, Father. Why the Hierophant in this reading? Tell me more about the Hierophant here, please. It is clarified as whip. There could be an argumentation here occur in this situation. Could also that this person or group of people are now arguing about you, because it could be that they involves you to a black magic, cast spells. Could also be a collaboration, and now it didn't work. It backfires on them, and that's why they are arguing. It could also that this is related to a decision or related to your passion. They tried to hinder, to block your creativity, your financial success and stability. Could also that this is related to your spirituality. I don't know. Now they are arguing because it backfires on them and it didn't work. Or they involve you to, or they wants to involve you to an argumentation because they wants to lower your vibes. That's why the universe advise you to, don't engage your energy, because they're only jealous and envy. Their lives are falling apart. I told you. They couldn't believe that you stand in your belief, in your faith. And that's why all they can do is to harvest your energy, to engage you to drama and conflict. Because they want to decide for your life. They couldn't decide for your life because they want to control your life. I told you. Because they believe that they have control over your life. Whoever you are, shame on you. Shame on you. Go and control yourself. You cannot control the lives of other people. I'm sorry, whoever you are. You need to control your own life, your own BS, your own business, but you cannot control the lives of other people. Go and heal yourself. Unhealed folks, whoever you are. A Taurus is involved here, a fire sign, an air sign, an earth sign, and a water sign. Could also be a collaboration. A collaboration of low vibes, energy draining vampires, because they doesn't want you to be happy. They doesn't want you to have a stability and a solid foundation because of jealousy and envy. All they can do is black magic, witchcraft, voodoo, sabotage. That's all they can do, I told you. Because they are unhealed. They are focusing your lives instead of focusing themselves. They are heartless. They don't care. They only wants to win at all costs. They wants to swap the destiny of other people because they are boring. They are insatiable. I told you they are low vibes. Clarify me, Father, why the King of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as fish. This person viewed you as good in entrepreneurship. This person, have seen that you are a magical person, you are magnetic, and you are the lucky charm of this person. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This could also be a matured father figure who wants to offer you a stability or wants to marry you because they viewed you as their divine counterpart. Yuppie. Clarify me, Father. Why the... Oh my gosh. Why the Wheel of Fortune in this reading? Please tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune. It is clarified as number 36, the cross. I told you, because they tried to swap your destiny. The Wheel of Fortune is the cycles of life, your destiny. This person, a group of people, tried to swap your destiny because they are triggered with your lights, because their lives are falling apart, because your spirits irritates their demons. And you come across with this person, a group of people, because you could be the catalyst of their lives. Now they are guilty because destiny swapping is over. It was a failure. For some of you guys, you could be a spiritual warrior or a chosen one. And you have a mission to this world, the Hierophant. And this person or group of people choose the wrong person to mess up with. And that's why they are the one who is now sacrificing. They are guilty. Their guilt eating them inside. Because they want you to be like this, that you are the one who is like Jesus Christ. You suffered in the cross. No. You are divinely protected. This person or group of people, because of jealousy and envy, now they are the one who is sacrificing because of their evil schemes. Black magic, love spells, cast spells by all means to block your money, your abundance. But you have heard the wheel is turning in your favor. And when the wheel is turning in your favor, this is also your enemies will fall down. Well, falling down. This is the wheel of karma. What goes around comes back around. Now they are guilty because they want you to sacrifice. They are the one who is now sacrificing. I told you, whoever you are, I can feel it. Get lost. Go on and move on and heal yourself. Whoever you are, shame on you. You cannot swap the destiny of other people, especially if this is divinely given to somebody else. Now, this is your time to receive your karma, whoever you are. A group of people includes the 4 fixed sign in the zodiac: Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and a fellow Scorpio. That's why I said if you are on the right path, this is your readings. Now, they test their own medicine. Whoever you are, shame on you. Take only what fits in your story. All we can do is to stalk on you in your social media because you are very abundant, the Queen of Pentacles. You have lots of great potential to become a successful person, and you have a celebration after celebration. The 4 of Wands and the 3 of Cups. They want to return to apologize, but they have secrets going to expose. And aside from that, they are keeping lots of secrets on you. Now, plot twist. All the fortune is in your favor. You look, the fish is also a fortunate sign. This is related to your abundance. And they are sacrificing in silence. They are guilty. All they can do is to stalk on you through your social media. That's all they can do. And all they can do is planning to sabotage you because they have nothing to do with their own lives. Their lives are falling apart. To did cast spells, black spells, black magic. Sorry guys. Cast spells, love spells, black magic. That's all they can do because these are the low vibes, energy draining vampires. Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. The more you did something, the more you you do, misery to somebody else, you are just writing your own misery. I told you, whoever you are. Whatever the negative energy you send to somebody else, go back to sender in the name of the Divine Most High. But now they're guilt eating them inside. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 3, 6, 36, 63, 6633. Please pay attention. The cross is, this is destiny swapping. Unfortunately, they failed and it's over. Now they are guilty. They are the one who is sacrificing. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.